Welcome to a toy a day. It's me, Nickel, the Pickle. Got this cool looking box. We're gonna get one of these cool looking birds. It's birds from around the world. Chirp. I want the Cardinal. I want the box boy. Give it to me. God. You'd think, like, just pop right open. Small box, can't even get into it. Oh, I think I got him. Whoa. I don't know what this is. Kind of destroyed the box here. Is this the secret one? It's not on the box. I mean, that's pretty cool. It still says Cardinal, but it has the black back over here. Can his head come off easily for me? Almost. I'm gonna have to do it. Whoa. Knife. What is up with this thing? Nice little speckled egg here. I'm pretty sure it shows the same little speckled egg in the picture of the Cardinal. This must be. I mean, this makes no sense other than that. That's a nice red. It makes me want the Cardinal even more. Excuse me. It makes me want the Cardinal even more. Tight. Haven't got a secret one in a while. And I really like these bird boys, so that's a good secret to get. I'll put up in the description if it is the secret or not, and you know, the common name for the cardinalis or whatever. Is that just like male and female in one? You know? I wonder. These toys have been quite the joy. I love opening them. You know, the egg. Yeah, that wing shines up pretty good. You really see the difference in that paint. That's tight. I like the front, nothing really. Look at those wings, the difference in them. Whoop, 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 there's the poop. Alright, ooh, the card. The Cardinal. I'm still just, I'm excited we got the half and half secret one. Alright, that's gonna do it. And remember, the toy a day keeps Blue Jays away. We'll see you tomorrow.